We take up today a hot question on area related to the circle. To do so, let me just draw the figure and then I'll post the question on the screen. This is given to be a square. There is a circle in between. Assume I'm not being accurately, it's not possible to draw for me, so just let us just follow the information given along with this figure. I'll just be joining the two diagonals and then erase the one between this in between. So this part I'll erase and the figure will get its own shape according to the question. Okay, now let me write down. There is also the center of the circle. Now I'll be giving them the names. This is given to be A, this is B, this being C, and that's D. With this point of intersection be E, that's F, this is G, that's H, and the center is given by O. Let me just write down the question. In this figure sorry, the square ABCD is divided into 5 equal parts. That means the center and the rest of the 4 parts, they are all equal, all having the same area. The central part, I just overlapped on it. I'll move my writing below. The central part is obviously circular, it's sorry, and the lines AE, CG, BF and DH lie along the diagonals AC and BD of the square. If BC is equal to 22 centimeter, we have to find the following. What is it? The first one which we need to find is the circumference. I'm not writing it as a whole, so it's circumference of the central part, it's the small circle, and also we have to find the perimeter of ABFE. Okay, that means we have to find this part, the circular part, as well as AE or ABFE, which includes this part of the circle and the diagonal and the side of the square. Okay, let us start solving it. I'm doing for the first part. For the first part, we'll be doing it first. Okay, that all the areas having the same values. So area of the central part, okay, area of the central part of the circle, I can write central part, or I'm just using the circles. Area of the circle here as being will be 1/5 of the area of the square, because the square is divided into 5 equal parts. Area of the square. So what is area? Now how do we find area of a circle? That's pi r square is equal to 1/5 of area of the square. Now each side is given to be 22, so it is 22 into 22, and if I replace by here, so I'm getting 22 by 7 into r square equals 1 by 5 into 22 into 22. Now why are we doing this? Because we need to know the radius to find the circumference, right? So I'm calculating the radius here using the information given. So this would get cancelled. So r square is actually 22 into 7 by 5, which I'm getting 154 by 5. So r square is this, so r becomes root over of 154 upon 5. So that's giving us approximately 5.55 centimeter, but that's approximately, I've rounded it off. So radius of the circular part is 5.55. So we have to first find the circumference. So thereby we apply the formula 2 pi r, that gives 2 into 22 by 7 into 5.55. That's, I think, giving us 34.89 centimeter is the, sorry, meter is the, oh, it's given in centimeter, let me write centimeter then, yeah, centimeter is the circumference of this central part. Now we need to concentrate on finding the perimeter of this. Do I need to highlight? No, it's okay, kind of this part. So I'll move on to make some space and solve it here. I'll be using another color so you can make quick observations. Okay, diagonal of the square we need to know, because I have to find this part as well. So diagonal will be, how do we find the diagonal of a square? It is, diagonal is, I think, root 2 into side. So it is root 2 into 22, that is 22 root 2. So that means if I divide it by 2, I will get up to this. OA will be given if I divide it by 2. So I'm getting 11 root 2. This is giving me OA. But I only need AE. So if I subtract the radius from this, I'll get AE, right? I think so. Okay, I need that part of it. Or no, let this be as it is, because if I also need to join this part as well. Wait, yep, okay, now join. So what is the part which we need to calculate? We need to calculate AE plus EF, okay. We also need a BF or BA. This will give us the perimeter of ABFE. Now AE has to be calculated as AE is equal to BF, so I can write it as twice of that. So rather I spend it. AE is 11 root 2. No, AE is equal to BF, correct? Yeah, I can write this as 11 root 2 minus the radius. Oh, I have to do it here, there separately maybe. BF is equal to AE. This oh sorry, this is written as BF. This is equal to this. So I can write AB can be replaced with 22. I can write twice of AE here. And what is EF? EF is actually part of the circumference. So it is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. 2 pi r we haven't yet calculated. Okay, 2 pi r. The circumference is 34.89. I'll just replace it there. Okay. Now AF, AE and BF I told you are equal, and that can be calculated as OA minus OE. OA was given as 11 root 2 minus OE is 5.55. 11 root 2 can be written as, if we calculate, wait, I'm doing it, I'm getting 15.55 minus OE is the radius which we had calculated here, so it is 5.55. That will give me a 10. So I'll write twice of 10 plus theta by 360. Theta there will be 90. 90 by 360. Is this? Yeah, it is a perpendicular bisector, the diagonal. So this is 90 by 360 into 2 pi r. So it is 2 pi. Oh, I had already calculated. So it is 1 upon 90.360. Oh, let me just calculate it. I'm getting 90 into 34.89 by 360. It is giving me some 8.72. So I'll replace here 8.72 plus 22. Then it is 20 plus 8.72 plus 22. That's giving me around 50.72 centimeter. So this is a calculation for finding out the perimeter of ABFE. Thank you.